Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to Full Blast Awesome. My name is Charlie, and today I'm going to talk about why fast estimates close more jobs. Speed simply equals more jobs. Here's how it breaks down. Let's talk about the one thing that separates the builders winning jobs from the ones that are losing out, which is speed. In this video, I'm going to show you why getting estimates out fast is the biggest game changer for deck builders, and how you can start closing more jobs today and closing them out to increase your ROI stuff. So the problem is slow quoting is killing deals. Homeowners get multiple bids. Whoever delivers the first estimate usually sets the bar for everything. Delays lead to losing leads to competitors, homeowners growing cold, and wasting hours on admin work that could have been saved. Every hour that you wait to send an estimate is an hour that your competitor is in their inbox and you are forgotten. Simple as that. Now, wide speed wins. First in, first trusted. Simple as that. Homeowners think you're more professional. It builds immediate momentum to close the job, reduces time wasted on tire kickers, and fast estimates don't just look good, they build trust, create urgency, and get you booked. Now, Deckstimate solves this. Here's how. We give you estimates in less than 5 minutes. Professional PDFs that are emailed out instantly, even on the free version. It's mobile friendly for on-site quoting. You can do it on your mobile, you can do it on your tablets, you can do it on your computer, all that good stuff. There's unlimited free use, unlimited on branded, and unlimited on a pro package on there as well. Now imagine pulling up to a job, entering the measurements in the app, and then sending a clean client-ready estimate before you drive away. That's amazing. Simple as that. Now don't be the last one to quote. Back in the day, in the old way of things, and their time to quote would have been a couple of days because like life happened, you were busy on site, all that good stuff. Now with Deckstimate, you can do this in 5 minutes flat. The win rate was average about 30% in old days on there. Now it's more like 50 to 60% because you have Deckstimate in your pocket. Hours saved weekly, old way, none. With Deckstimate, 10 plus hours or more. If your competitor is using Deckstimate and you're not, they're already in the homeowner's inbox and they're probably booking the job. That's how it boils down. Now, branded versus pro upgrades. If you want to go ahead and use Deckstimate, for starters, I'm just going to show you. You can come over here on our website on fullblastawesome.com. You can check this out for free to see how it goes. You can test it out, see if it works for you. You go over here, click the free one. You can use our free 5-minute deck estimator right here. And you can get a client-ready PDF that you can just email to them. You can download, you can print it, you can text it, all that good stuff. You just come in here, fill out all the stuff on the project, and you click calculate the estimate. You're good to go. Simple as that. If you want to go ahead and put your rates on here, put your logo on this, which looks more professional and gets you more jobs and stuff like that, get a link that you can go ahead and include on your website, on your socials, all that good stuff. You can come over to our branded version on here, which is $99 a month. Just your branded logo on the page. You get your material and labor rates preloaded, so it's always accurate for your quotes. Get unlimited estimates, client-ready PDFs to send out. Get a shareable link to link up on your website, socials, text, all that good stuff. This is done for you in less than 48 business hours. If you want to sign up now, you just click on Start My Branded page, do the checkout. We do the rest. We ask you for your rates, your logo, all that good stuff. We'll get this thing rolling for you. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you come over here to Pro, which Pro is our professional version of this Deckstimate. You get the estimator with your logo, all your stuff, all your rates on there as well. Plus, you get our all-in-one estimating solution. This is how you run your deck building business in a box, basically. Back in the day, you used to have like 20 tools that would cost you $50K a month to do this thing on here. Now you get all this thing for a fraction of the cost, which is an all-in-one estimating solution. You get a full CRM, automations on here as well. You save many hours every week. You reply faster than your competitors. You close more jobs with professional PDFs, pipelines, reminders, and reviews. And this is built by deck builders, for deck builders, by the way. If you want to check out Deckstimate Pro, you can get a full demo with us. You just go ahead and click book a demo. We jump on a free Zoom call with you, no obligations to buy whatsoever. We just talk about how this works through your business. If you want to do the thing, we do the thing. If you don't want to do the thing, no pressures, no worries, nice to meet you kind of thing. In the meantime, you can check out the free tools, see how it works for your business on there, get all those quotes out and stuff. We have 3 different versions of the Deckstimate Pro on here where you get all the pro tools. There's $1,800 a month on here, which has no contract. You can cancel anytime if you just want to try it out. It has a $1,500 one-time setup fee. We recommend the 6-month lock-in on here. You get a 5% discount. This is billed monthly on there for the $1,710 a month. It's a $1,500 one-time setup fee, but this actually gives you time to get your return on investment, so this pays for itself. If you really want to see the full benefit, we let you pay up front on here as well. You get a 10% discount. You get all the tools on here, you get all that stuff on there as well to make your business soar. And this, we all know as deck builders on here, this pays for itself because one job alone, 20K job, this pays for this whole service by itself. And then you can book like 50 other jobs, you can turn and burn, you can look awesome. We have all the benefits right here. I've also done a full demo of the app on another video on here on YouTube as well, so you can check that out. Or if you want to get a demo so that you can see it in person for yourself on Zoom, you can click get a demo right here and we'll hook out on Zoom with you and we'll go ahead and we'll check it out. So you can come on here, you can see what the plans do for you. There's an estimate generator right here, which is in the free version. You can get the $99 branded version really quick. We made this nice and cheap because that way you have something nice in your pocket that you can get more jobs with right off the bat. You can get the value from that. Then we have the Pro version that includes everything, and that's a full app on there where you get the estimate generator with your logo, your rates, all that good stuff, and you get all the CRM, pipeline, automations, nurture campaigns, booking calendars, review requests, team access, unlimited contacts, and more. So check it out, see what works for you. Now I'm just going to jump back over here for a minute on this. I'm going to say builders that are using our Pro are automating the pipeline following of it instantly and closing jobs like clockwork. It's amazing. Now I'm going to say let's go. Let's not lose out on another job because you're too slow to respond. Try the free version out today over on our website at fullblastawesome.com. Click on the one for Deckstimate free and you can go ahead and check that out. You don't have to enter a credit card. You don't have to enter anything on there. You get a couple welcome emails from us for checking it out and stuff. But you can use that as many times as you like and you can get those free PDFs, which make you look awesome to your customers. When you're ready, you can upgrade to the branded or pro package on there and you can watch your close rates skyrocket. Simple as that. Now, I'm going to give you a little spiel on this because we're on YouTube. Speed wins. Deckstimate gives you the tools to quote faster, look more professional, and close more jobs. Please do take a moment to subscribe to YouTube on here on our channel, to subscribe for more tips, demos, success stories, all the stuff to help you scale your deck building business. We appreciate it if you like the videos, turn on notifications, all that stuff. Helps us out to grow the channel and all that stuff and to make more content like this to help your business. Thanks so much for being here today. My name is Charlie with Full Blast Awesome. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.